So this is the second question which we are going to discuss on 4 variable SOP K-map. So here we have again a Boolean expression which we have, and we have to simplify it. Okay, so we have the Boolean expression given as a b bar c bar d bar, a bar b bar c bar d, a b bar c d bar, a b bar c d, a b c d bar, and a b c d. So the first thing which we have to do is to express it in terms of min terms, sum of min terms. So it is an SOP expression. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 1. This is 8, 10. This is 8, 11. This is 8, 4, 2, 12, 14. And this is 15. These are the min terms for this Boolean expression. So for the mapping of this K-map, we have the format of the K-map ready. Okay, A, B, C, D, horizontal side variables, vertical side variables, with all the cells marked with their respective decimal representation. So all we have to do is to mark it. So 0, 1, 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay, 0, 1, 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay, how these cells are marked, how to design this cell, I have already told you. So here, so please check the previous videos related to K-map basics, mapping, grouping before you watch this video. Okay, so we have marked the cells. Now we have to group them. So as per the rules of grouping, group can contain 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on, 2 to the power n number of variables. So here we have 2 adjacent cells, so we can form a group here, a pair, and here we have 4 adjacent cells, so we can form a quad. Okay, all the marked cells are grouped, 2 groups are formed, 1 pair, 1 quad. Now we have to identify the common variables for each group. Now here for this pair, okay, this pair, let me write the variables c bar d bar and c bar d. The horizontal side is a bar b bar. Okay, for this pair. So for this pair, a bar b bar is common in both the cells, a bar b bar c bar d bar, a bar b bar c bar d. So in the horizontal side, a bar b bar is common in both the cells, a bar b bar. In the vertical side, here we have c bar d bar, here it is c bar d. So in the vertical side, only c bar is common. D is getting changed, here it is d bar, here it is d. Only c bar is same in both the vertical sides, the vertical component of the cell. In the horizontal component, in both the cells, a bar b bar is there. So the common variables for this group is a bar b bar c bar for group 1. A bar b bar c bar. Let us write it down here. If one part is for group 1, the pair a bar b bar c bar. Now it is the turn of this quad. Okay, this quad. Okay, so let us find the common variables for this quad, the group 2. Let us write the horizontal and vertical variables and identify the common variables. So this is a quad 4 adjacent cells, AB, the horizontal components AB and AB bar, the vertical components CD and CD bar. Now we have to find the common variables. So you see, in the horizontal side we have AB bar. So in both the horizontal components we have A common. A is common. So one of the common components, common variables is A in the horizontal side. Now the vertical. In the vertical side we have CD and CD bar. So in both the vertical components C is common. C is common. So the other common variable is C. So for group 2 the common variables are A, C. So the simplified Boolean expression for this SOP expression, which is given with min terms, is A bar, B bar, C bar, A, C. This is the simplified Boolean expression. So you see, this is quite a lengthy Boolean expression which is given with the help of K-map. With a matter of few minutes we solved it and we got this Boolean expression, simplified Boolean expression, A bar, B bar, C bar plus AC. Okay, so this is the second question on SOP 4 variable K-map. Hello friends, so this is the third question which we are going to discuss on SOP 4 variable K-map simplification. So here we have this Boolean expression and we have to simplify it. We have the format of 4 map K-map ready, 4 variable K-map ready. So first thing, we have to write this Boolean expression in terms of min terms so that it becomes easy to mark the respective cells. So here this is for 0001, so it is 1 decimal value. This is 0010842, so it is 2. This is A bar, B, C bar, D, 0101, it is 5. Okay, this is A bar, B, 0110, this is 6. This is 1000, so it is 8, and this is 1001, so it is 9. Okay, now we have to mark the respective cells as 1 in this 4 variable K-map. So how to convert the SOP, the decimal representation, the binary representation, I have already discussed in the very initial videos in the digital electronics playlist. You will find SOP, POS basics, what is min term, what is max term, canonical representation. So please check those videos if you want. So now we will mark the cells 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so we have marked the cells. So marking of cells is done, mapping of Boolean expression is done. Now we have to group them. So you see, these two cells, they are adjacent to each other. We can form a pair. These two cells are adjacent to each other. We can form a pair. These two cells are adjacent to each other, so we can form a pair. 3 pairs, 3 groups are formed, all of them are pairs. So group formation is done. Okay, now we have to find the common variables. First let us consider this group. Okay, 1 1. Let us write the vertical and horizontal variables. C bar D, the vertical side, and the horizontal side we have A bar, B bar, A bar, B, these two. Now in the vertical side we have C bar D common in both the cells. Both the cells C bar D is common. So C bar D will be there. In the vertical side C bar D is there. In the horizontal side we have A complement B complement and A complement B. Okay, A bar B bar, A bar B. So here A bar or A complement is common in both the horizontal components. See, A complement, A complement. So here A complement will be common from the horizontal side. So the common variables are A complement, C complement, D for group 1. This. So let us write the simplified Boolean expression. The first common variable, set of common variables for group 1 is A complement, C complement, D. Now is the turn of this pair. Okay, so let us write the horizontal and vertical variables. 1 1 for this, C D bar and A bar B bar, A bar B. Okay, so here from the vertical side C D bar is common in both the cells. C D bar is common in both the cells, C D bar. So C D bar will be there. From the horizontal side A bar is common in both the cells. A bar is common in both the cells. So A bar C D bar for group 2. A bar C D bar. So let us write it down here. A bar C D bar, common set of variables for the second group. Now is the third group, this. Okay, this one. Here we have the horizontal component A B bar, and here we have C bar D bar, C bar D bar, and C bar D. C bar D bar, C bar D. So here A B bar is common from the horizontal side. It is common to both the cells A B bar in this group. A B bar is common. So A B bar will be there. Then C bar is common in both the cells. C bar is common. Here C bar D bar, here it is C bar D. So C bar is common from the vertical side. So here for group 3, the third pair, we have the common set of variables as A, B bar, C bar. Okay, A, B bar, C bar. So let us write it down here. A, B bar, C bar. So this is the simplified Boolean expression for this given expression, this. Okay, so here I am just making you understand by writing again the horizontal components, the vertical components, and then I am telling you to find the common variables to make you understand. But when you practice more and more of such questions in both 3 variable, 4 variable K-maps, just by looking at the K-map, and from here you can identify the common variables. There is no need to do all this. But if you are a beginner, you are getting started with this, I would recommend you to go by this approach. Write the groups, the cells, the horizontal components, the vertical components, then find the common variables, okay, when you are getting started with. But when you practice 10 or 15 questions related to 3 or 4 variable K-maps, you will automatically you get acquainted with this, that just by looking at this K-map directly you can find out the common variables from both the horizontal and vertical side for each group. Okay, so this is the third question, I think. So we have discussed this.